guys, welcome back again to my channel. I am Noemi, and for today's video, I will make black forest cakes. So I will make 2 black forest. So for this recipe, I will make 2 and I will show the 2 styles how you can decorate your black forest. So let's start. So we need 6 eggs. Like usual, separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. We need cream of tartar, cocoa powder, sugar, cake flour, chocolate. I have here also vanilla powder, cherry in can, cherry alcohol, but because I have kids, I will not put some alcohol on it. Cornstarch, vegetable oil, coffee, powdered sugar, and cream. So first, I will separate the egg whites and the egg yolks. So here are now the egg whites. And in here I will put 100 grams of white sugar. Half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Look, that's the perfect meringue. Now the meringue is ready. Now we can mix all the wet ingredients. The egg yolks, coffee, 170 grams of cake, vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, cocoa powder, then 100 grams of sugar. Then we will only leave all that. Then half a teaspoon of vanilla powder, or you can use a vanilla essence or vanilla pure extract. Then we will only mix this. So guys, make sure you already preheated the oven to 175 degrees. So when we are finished with this, we can put it straight in the oven and bake. So now I will put the merengue. So I have here 3 small baking pans, 17 centimeter, and I have here a big one. So this butter, if you will only want to make a big black forest, this butter you can put all in here. Then after that, after baking, you can only cut the cake for the layering. So because I will make 2 small, I will use 3 of this. So now I will divide the cake butter. So make sure to tap the baking pan before putting it in the oven to remove some air inside. So now into the oven to 175 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes or until we make a toothpick test that it's dry inside. First, I start to bake the cake for only 15 minutes. After that, I will make a toothpick test. I will try in the middle. So in the middle is not yet done. I will give 5 minutes more. I am still baking the cake, but like what I said before, I will bake the cake 20 minutes to 30 minutes to 175 degrees. So guys, I start to put the timer to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I was checking the cake. I was checking it near the side. The side is already done, but in the middle, it's not yet done. So I gave 5 more minutes to the cake. So make sure if you want to use a bigger baking pan for your cake, you have to add more time. And maybe for this big one, you can start the timer to 25 minutes. Then after 25 minutes, check with the toothpick. But don't forget in the middle to check the cake. Because usually it cooks or the side is already done, but in the middle it's still wet. So make sure to check the middle of the cake. So while waiting for the cake, I will start to make the cherry. Remove only the syrup. So here is now the syrup. Usually I put only half teaspoon of this alcohol here into the syrup, but because of the kids, I will not put some alcohol on it. Now I will put a teaspoon of sugar. And cornstarch. So while cooking the syrup, but not all. So the cherry I cut. And after that, I will put the syrup on the. So here is now the melted chocolate. I will let this chocolate dry, but not inside the fridge. So the cake are done, the cherries also are done, and now while I am waiting for the chocolate to be too dry, I will start now the filling. So for the filling, we need 500 ml of cream. So the 500 ml of cream, then I need powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, How's your chocolate cream? Here is the first finished product. First, so guys, again, I make some cream again for the second cake. So we will start again. Some cream. here it is, my 2 Black Forest cakes or Schwarzwälder Torte. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And before anything else, I would like to say hello to Mr. Marcos Strike, and thank you for watching. And guys, he made a cake for his wife's birthday. So he was looking my video, the Rocky Road cake, and he made this cake for his wife. So guys, you can also do that. I would love to see some pictures of your cakes. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And please don't forget to subscribe and share if you haven't yet. And hit down the notification bell down below so you will be updated when I have a new video. Bye!